Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. Coming from OSTBA. This is a contact grill or Panini grill. However you want to say it. Panini press, 180 degrees grill, contact grill. Ooh, 4-slice plate, open angle, 180 degrees. Alright, so definitely check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And it is a new day, guys. We made it through the weekend. Let's see. We got the manual. This is my first one having a Panini press. I'm going to give it a try, see how I do. But I'm not going to do any videos on that probably until later. But right now we're just going to do the unboxing and see what it looks like. Because I do have a lot of videos today. So, definitely going to check this one out. Oh, super lightweight, not too heavy. Nice Father's Day gift. Check them out for the Prime Day sales going on. Get your deals now, and you'll have this shipped and ready for Father's Day. So, that's coming up a few weeks, I think. But we got Memorial Day, so this will one-day ship. They'll ship it to you before Memorial Day. You could have your party, cookout, grill some steaks. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is nice. Let me get situated here. Just woke up here, so bear with me. Really nice grill. So we got that. We got a turn knob style. Minutes, so like each dot is a minute. Just crank it. How do I get this down? I think I actually have to look at the directions. So it's supposed to lay backwards. I mean, not backwards, but all the way. Yeah, this is my first time. I would clean it, wipe it down a little bit, you know, and let it burn for a few minutes before you put your bread on. So 180 degree pull out. Aha. Wow. Alright, this is going to be cool. Put your steaks here, your other veggies and whatnot. Really cool. So check them out. Like I said, I'm not going to be doing any grilling. All you got to do is pull this. And then, there you go. Really cool. Check them out. Be safe. Have a good day.